and this L, and this a snail, but we didn't take it. Yeah, we don't need. I don't need it. It's throughout. Okay, grab some fish. L. Okay, today we let to all of you to watch this video, and so now I'm fishing by bamboo. Okay, it's traditional in Cambodia. I hope everyone happy to look, and let's go. Okay, so today we got not a lot of fish. Yes, eel. Okay, so this is traditional in Cambodia to fishing. Okay, so this we got today, and this L, and this a snail, but we didn't take it. Yeah, we don't need. I don't need it. It's throughout. Okay, grab some fish. L. Okay, so this we got.